Welcome aboard, and thanks for choosing Devbridge. We'd appreciate your attention as we demonstrate what you can expect during our Lean Requirements Workshop. We anticipate a full workshop with your team and the Devbridge crew. Be sure to stow belongings before the workshop begins and place all business requirement documents securely in the trash can. Devbridge conference rooms are equipped with priority seating and large whiteboards. In some cases, the nearest whiteboard may be behind you. For each workshop, the Devbridge box of fun will be provided. In it, you will find Sharpie markers, Post-it notes, and everything else needed for the day. To start the flow of ideas, pull off the black cap to release the Sharpie. Press firmly on the tip when writing on the Post-it. Once completed, cover the marker with the cap for a snug fit. To share your ideas, attach the Post-it note to one of the many surfaces in the room. If you are collaborating with someone needing assistance, secure your Post-it before helping others. In the unlikely event of turbulence, the Devbridge crew will be there to help evaluate and communicate any ideas as they bounce around the room. As we approach our destination, we will have achieved full stakeholder alignment and will have created a detailed itinerary for creating your MVP. Upon landing, there will be no delays on the tarmac. We will have everything we need to create a comprehensive proposal and start building everything you need to get your project off the ground on time.